Hello guys, this is Anish here with a tutorial on how to model armor and give it a cool look like that, but that's out of position. But it looks pretty cool and it looks exactly like in Minecraft, and yeah, so I'm gonna teach you how to do that. So first you need to find your Minecraft folder. So go into your home. If you have Windows, it's app data, go to library, application support, Minecraft. You should already know this, bin, and then Minecraft, and go click on here and arrange by kind, and you should have all the folders on the top, and then go to GUI. No, go to armor over here. Oh my god, go to armor, and you have all your armors here. So we're gonna make the 2 diamond things here. So get them both, put them in Photoshop, and I'm just gonna go through what each one is. This is the head, this is the front of the head, so you want to crop the front of the head like this. Oops, just crop it like that. Oh god. Crop it, press enter, save it as whatever you want. This is the right, no, the left, and this is the right, this is the top, this is the back, and yeah, so that's basically how everything is. And this is the body, so you want to crop this like this, and you just have to figure out how many pixels big it is, and you can just put it in Minecraft as the pixel big size thingy. So each pixel is 6.25 centimeters, so if you count how tall it is, you can actually just watch my modeling tutorial and you can model everything perfectly, I guess. So this is the boots, at least that's what I think. I have a picture here. Yeah, that's the boots. Those are the boots. And you want to make the shoulders, you want to crop this image, and this is the left side of the shoulder, and you want to go to image and then image rotation and go to image flip canvas horizontal, and this is the right side of the shoulder, so you want to crop all of those like that for the sides of the shoulders. And this is the body, obviously, and let's open the other one, and I will go through that and hold alt and just zoom in to zoom in pretty fast. This is the waist. I hope that's the waist. Yeah, that's the waist. That's the legs, and yeah, so now let's make the helmet, which is pretty much the most complicated thing. So I have one set up right here. Looks pretty cool in my opinion, and it looks good. And you have, if you click here, it's just one object really. And yeah, so let's get to modeling it. So let's go crop the images, which I already did, of course. And so you want to crop each image, and it should be 8 by 8. So hold Alt Command I to get the image size, or you go to image and image size here, and make sure it's 8 by 8, and then save it as this head front, and load them into this Cinema 4D. And how to do that with alpha. So let's get a new material. I hate going through all of this, but I've already gone through it. But some people don't know how to do it. So this is the image. Press yes, none. Go to alpha. Click on this. Go to copy the texture from the color and just paste it in here. And then you have your material. So now let's get to texturing. Building. I mean, yeah. So I will put the download of the finished one. So now go to your make a new cube, click on the cube, and let's find the size. Also, it's 8 pixels tall and 8 pixels wide, so that's 8 times 6.25, which is 50. And so make it 50, 50, 50. And yeah, so watch my modeling tutorial if you're getting confused on what's the size and everything like that. Now we want to go to segments and divide the 50 by 6.25, which is, no, actually just count, it's 8 pixels tall, so on the y-axis, which is how tall it is, you put 8, so it's wide. It's 8 pixels wide on the x-axis, so you put 8 and the 8. So I hope you got that. and now we have its pixelated sort of looking thingy. Well, yeah, now press make it editable, select the faces, and yeah, this took a while to figure out because I couldn't get the model to have like a small wait, you see this small piece here? I think you can use the extrude nubs or whatever it's called, but I don't know how to really use that, so I'm just gonna, plus you have an extrude nub to deal with, so I just made a modeling tutorial on how to just do that. So now just paste in your texture, do this for all the sides. I might skip this part. Okay guys, I'm back. So I just dragged in all the textures and now you should get this. And by the way, this tutorial was suggested by someone. Well, it wasn't suggested to make a tutorial, but I just went on with making a tutorial. So click on your cube, and now we want to just delete these faces here, which we don't need, which is completely empty. And oh my god, just delete all of them like that. Delete the bottom. You want to make sure you don't delete anything unless like any wrong faces. So I'm just going to quickly do this. Okay guys, I'm back again. I deleted the faces, and now we want to select all, so go to your move tool and just double click and you should have all these faces selected. And now you want to right click and go press on split, and that just duplicates it basically, but I don't know. Now press M and T, or just click on the extrude, or right click and go and extrude over here, and then you want to come here and type in -1.5, press enter, and you should get that. And now you want to select the original cube you had and just make it red here, so double click on that small ball there and you should get this sort of look, and click on the new cube you made from that and you get this. So now we need to delete the unnecessary parts like this. I'm not sure if it's gonna make a big difference, but I think it might affect your render a bit, but you can delete it, you can leave it. See, when you keep this here, you have like a weird looking thing here, but in the render you don't really see it. But I'm not sure about other things, so I'm just gonna delete it. I'll be right back when I delete it. So, oh, sorry, I'll show you what you have to delete. So you have to delete these like weird looking extra things and just delete that. I might actually speed this up, or I might. Okay guys, I'm back, so I finished deleting those faces sort of things, and you should be left with these just pop out. And by the way, you can actually just change the texture. If you want to make it leather or if you want to make it gold, you just have to change the texture over here and the texture of the helmet and this, and then it should automatically just change all of them. And now if you untick that box over there, you get both your cubes. And now you select both your cubes and right click and click on connect objects plus delete, and it makes it just one object, and name it helmet, and we have our helmet. So, oh, forgot, we need to select these faces here, and we need to just add a small texture here, and then we are done with our helmet. So do that, and you want to just go to your helmet and crop something like this, and then you want to save that crop and just load it into Cinema 4D and just put it in here. So I'll quickly do that, make sure to select that. And I had a lot of problems with this, so please don't dislike. I have dislikes on almost every video now, which is pretty weird, and I have one hater which is like disliking all my videos, and he has like 1,400 subscribers, which is a lot in my opinion. So, and I suggested like a 3D. Let's see, he would say my rig sucks, and please give your opinion on my rig. I would like to have an opinion if it's better than X Minecrafter's rig, X Minecrafter XX or whatever his name is. Just tell me if it's better than his. And I just want to and that's the texture I just loaded in. Okay, so we have our texture now. I don't know what I was talking about before, but yeah, so we finished our helmet. So in the render it looks okay. That's a black spot there because the camera is there. So I will put the download for the finished armor. All you have to do is change the material and you got the leather armor, whatever. That's why I didn't use UV mapping. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and bye. By the way, this was suggested by someone. I don't know if I already said that, but bye. Thanks for watching. Sorry, I forgot to say something here. That when you finish your object, you should move it into a position of a character. So go move it into position. I'm gonna use the waist for example because I didn't have. I deleted the helmet because I already had a helmet. So get it into your character, and then press T to scale and just scale it out like that. And if you for the helmet, you just scale it out like that and just scale it about 1.5 or 1 centimeter or something until you're satisfied. And if you want to scale the waist or something, you just click on this Y thing here and you want to just scale it on the Z, X and Z axes. So you click on the Y and just click on the box that you want to scale, and it just scales on the X and Y axis, X and Z axis. So that's what these buttons do, by the way. So we'll just scale it out like that, and that looks about right, I guess. Let's see. Let's make it the same. Actually, let's just make it like this big. Yeah, that's about right. Okay, so thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and bye.